Hey guys, it is January the 27th, 2023, and I'm going to give you a quick little update on my raised garden beds from Quictent. It went down to about 35 degrees last night. It's going to be about 55 today. And I started these little raised beds a little earlier just to test them. But give you a quick little tour. It does have the double zipper on each side, with the clear screen and then just a regular screen underneath. And as you can see, I do have some pea plants in here that are doing pretty good. Just testing out the greenhouse a little early. Like I said, it is January the 27th. A little early to start outdoors, but wanted to see how well the greenhouse would do. It does have openings on both sides. I have a couple of more raised beds ordered that are going to be coming in, so don't pay any attention to the yard right here. I'm going to be changing this all up. But those are them. The Quictent raised garden bed with the greenhouse combo. This video does contain an affiliate link, so if you're considering a greenhouse raised garden bed, check out Quictent. You can check the tab above or in the comments below. And if you do use one of the links above or below to make a purchase, I do receive a commission, and you can use at checkout a promo code GREG8% to get a little discount off of it. These are protecting the plants pretty well, even in 35-degree weather in January. Thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for subscribing.